This Raspberry Pi kit was sent to me to review, and so I just want to walk you through what comes in the kit, how to set everything up, some of my thoughts about this kit. Everything comes in a bag like this, and so you've got a couple HDMI cables, you've got a card reader, you've got a TF card, you've got a manual, then you've got the case that comes with it, a power supply, USB-C, the Raspberry Pi itself, and then you also have a fan and some heat sinks. This turns out to be extra. You don't actually need that because the case comes with its own kit like this. So here is the case, and then here is the Raspberry Pi itself. So you do need to assemble everything, and it has very detailed instructions for how to do everything you need to do. So it's very easy to set up, nice and easy instructions to follow. So first you just put on all of the heat sinks on the chips. So here you can see where I've got the heat sinks installed. They're just stickers, so you just stick it right on and you're done. The fan, it tells you where to put the cables in the fan, and then it shows you how to assemble the case and put the Pi in the case, and then you just screw everything together and then you're done. So you've got the Raspberry Pi in a case. Last thing you need to do is insert the TF card, so you have a way to run the Pi. Very simple. So once I got that set up, I have a KVM, and so I hooked it up to the KVM, and in order to do that I had to use this HDMI coupler, but then I could just use it on my computer with my keyboard and mouse. And you can see the setup. You kind of select what setup you want, you click on it, you have to select a network as well so that it can download and install everything. The setup took quite a while, so a Raspberry Pi is not the fastest computer. It does work, but the setup did take quite a while, but it was nice and easy. It walked you through everything. So then it drops you into the Raspbian OS. If you're familiar with Linux, then all of this will be normal to you. If you are not familiar with Linux, then this is a great way to get familiar with it. So I decided to put RetroPie on this so I could play games with my kids, and so I just installed that via the terminal. It was nice and easy, no difficulties at all. Then I got RetroPie installed, put some ROMs on it, and then I configured a joystick, and I've been playing Street Fighter 2 with my kids. It's been a lot of fun. So the nice thing about a Raspberry Pi is just how small it is. It doesn't use a lot of power. It's just kind of it's just a fun computer. What I really like about this kit is it kind of brought me back memories. When I was young, I would build my own computers. I would play around with electronics. That sort of thing doesn't really happen a lot anymore. Electronics now are built not to be fixed. They're built to be replaced. I would especially recommend this for kids or for someone who wants to learn about computers. It's really fun and actually really easy to put together. I think it's nice to be hands-on, to put something together, to kind of build something yourself. Even though this isn't really that complex, you still get to do something and you still have a sense of some accomplishment that you put a kit together like this and then you get to use it. It's a really cool idea. All of the instructions in the kit were super simple, and I have 4 young boys. We've been playing Street Fighter 2 every day. They've loved it. It's a lot of fun for me to play games I played as a kid with my kids. I also think this is a really nice kit. If you've never used Linux before, if you want to get into it, if you want to try something a little different, learn a bit more about computers, this is a really great option. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.